இன்னைக்கு இந்த லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல அந்த சொன்ன இல்லையா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பர்சன் செகண்ட் பர்சன் அதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் டென்ஸ் வந்து தமிழ்ல எப்படி சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா?
So last class என்ன பார்த்தோம்? subject pronouns வந்து 7 subject pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, for this all 7 subject pronouns we have seen how the tenses simple past, simple present, simple future will be. Okay, so for example I was, I am, I will be. Like that for he, she, it, he was, he is, he will be. They are, they were, they will be. Like that these were the 3 forms of verbs for the subject pronouns. Okay, this I told because ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ்ல எந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு எப்படி நம்ம வந்து டென்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக பார்த்தோம். Then we also saw the formulas, that is formulas in the sense the structure of the verb for each tense. Okay, so for simple present verb
plus s
for third person singular. Okay, so I talk, that is simple present. He talks, so talk plus s, verb plus s. Okay, so this form we have to remember. Once we practice this will you will get to know. Okay, so these 3 things, basic things we saw. Now for today's class we are going to see the all 12 tenses. There are 12 tenses. These 12 tenses example in English, the same English example is given in Tamil also. So it is easy for us to understand better. So what are the 12 tenses? Simple present, simple past, simple future. Then present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Then present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Then present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous. So these are each set has 3 tenses. So total 4 into 3, 12 tenses are there. Now I have taken the example of playing. Okay, simple present is I play. In Tamil we say நான் விளையாடுகிறேன். Past tense is I played. நான் விளையாடினேன். I will play is the future tense. நான் விளையாடுவேன். Okay, the difference is விளையாடுகிறேன், விளையாடினேன், விளையாடுவேன். So this is the difference of the simple tense. Now continuous tense. I am playing. So here the structure you guys need to understand. For continuous tense, what is the structure? Verb plus ing. Okay, present verb for present continuous tense, present tense plus ing. Past continuous tense, past tense plus ing. Future continuous tense, future plus ing. Okay, so I am playing. In Tamil we say நான் விளையாடி கொண்டு இருக்கிறேன். Okay, I was playing is the past continuous tense. Future continuous tense is I will be playing. Okay, so I have given the explanation in Tamil also. Okay, so it is better to learn these tenses in your own mother tongue, native speaking language. Okay, then only we will be able to know the meaning better and we will know how to apply in the instances. Okay, that's the reason I have given it here. And then perfect, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Like I have played, நான் விளையாடிருக்கிறேன். I had played, நான் விளையாடி இருந்தேன். It's just இருக்கிறேன், இருந்தேன், இருப்பேன். So like that we have to change. It's easy to understand in Tamil. And present perfect continuous tense. I have been playing, நான் விளையாடி கொண்டு இருந்திருக்கிறேன். Okay, I had been playing, this is past perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is I will have been playing. Okay, so நான் விளையாடி கொண்டு இருந்திருப்பேன். Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, here in examples I will change this. I have not changed it. I will change. Okay, so these examples for different words.
You can give test like that.
Yeah, that is what I am going to say. Now this is the practice lesson. The meaning in Tamil and English I have given. Okay, now I want you guys to give one word, take one word and give me all 12 tenses, one sentence.
Correct.
Okay, you take any verb. I have taken play. You take any verb. For all 12 tenses, you give me one example for each tense.
Tense, correct.
Okay.
No, then they can have a good idea.
They will have the idea. They will understand.
Next.
In the next 2 slides, I have given the summary of each tense. That means, a short explanation to have a better meaning of each tense. So, like for example, simple present. When we use the simple present, like repetition, habit, or generalization, like what we do now. Okay, that kind of. Now, sometimes it becomes a habit when we say habit. I go to temple every Friday. So it is a habit where we say it in simple present. Okay, like that. Simple past, this is a completed action at a specific time. Simple future represents specific time in the future. So this is the summary of the sentence. This is very important. You guys need to understand when we have to say this tense at what situation. Clear, no? See, for example, we will not have issues with present tense or simple tenses and the continuous tenses. We might have challenge in perfect and perfect continuous tense. So like present perfect, this action took place before now. Okay, I have gone there, I have learnt it, like that. Past perfect is action took place before a past time, like that. Past perfect continuous tense, which scenario we will be using this action started past and continued till another point in the past. Future perfect continuous tense someday happened in the past, continuing now, and will continue till a time at a particular time in the future also. So for example, for next year, this is July, no?
Yeah.
Next year July, I will complete 10 years of service in the particular company, organization, like that. That means that action took place sometime in the past, and it is happening now also, and it will happen sometime in the future also. So by July next year, I will have been completing 10 years in my service. Clear? So that is the action will continue till a point of time in the future. Okay, so this is a very short explanation I have given. Please go through. So you give me one word, 12 tenses, one verb, 12 tenses. Okay, if you guys need
Some more
examples for all 12 tenses with a different verb, any difficult verb, okay, please put a comment. I will give the reply in the comment itself. Or in detail I have taken, I will take one more session. Okay.
If they are thorough, then it will be easy for them to.
Yeah, this is very important.
So
very important.
They have to learn carefully.
Yeah. So now with this verb, we have taken pronouns and parts of speech and the subject pronouns. How the subject pronouns will appear with the different tenses, and we have taken the verb forms and verb tenses, so which are very very basic and very critical to know the to form the sentence. Okay, it's very important. The basics are done now, but next class onwards we will see how to speak, where are the mistakes commonly we do, like that. General tips will go. Okay, thanks.